Hello everyone, I'm Gloria Osemeke, co-founder of Huge Solutions, a business intelligence developer and also a business analyst. I'm so excited to be here at Build with AI 2025. Though I'm not with you physically, but I trust that you're going to have a swell time with us. Well, we all know that most coders are beginning to utilize this powerful tool called AI. But I'm going to be breaking the myth that AI is only for coders and show you how people like me and you without deep technical skills are playing a key role in driving AI innovation, and how you as a coder also can drive innovation using AI. When I said people like me, I have very little knowledge in coding, but throughout my career, I've always worked with the cool guys, the cool tech guys, while delivering several projects. I won't really count myself as a novice in this aspect, but let's dive into the main deal. So why do it really matter? The truth is AI needs diverse team of coders, business analysts, data experts, and also decision makers. We all need to work together, and here's why that collaboration matters. This slide shows how AI is at the center and every team coming together to make AI work. We often think AI is all about coding, but no. AI needs a full team of business analysts that defines the problem, data experts to interpret this results, and decision makers that would align the AI with the business goals. And without this collaboration, AI often fails to deliver real-time value. This quote from Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, really captures it for me. AI is the runtime that is going to shape all of what we do going forward, but it's humans that define the goals. So you see, AI shapes everything we do going forward, but it's only humans, people like you and me, we are the ones that would define the goals and ensure that AI solves meaningful problems. Let me bring this closer to home with an example from inside Huge Solutions. We faced our own challenge where AI becomes a powerful tool, but only when the business and the technical teams came together. And that was when we were able to solve this challenge using AI. The major challenge was delivering complex projects on time. What was my role as a business intelligence developer? I helped define the KPIs and past patterns. Then I worked also with the coders to build predictive models that automatically flagged bottlenecks early. And what was the result? 40% less delay and smoother deliveries for our clients. Here is a simple snapshot of what that transformation looked like in the organization. Before AI, we had slow manual reporting. All teams were sending in their report very late, which I don't even blame them because it was done manually. It takes time to do this report, then send it in. Then it would also take us time to go through this report. Instead of doing like an auto summary or something like that, we have to manually go through these reports one by one before we can now join them together, then begin to look at the project. Aside this, we had late detection of project risk. You know how all projects comes with risk, and your ability to avert this risk on time is the major deal. But no, we were dictating this risk at a very late time or towards the end of the project, which was a big issue to our project. So aside this, we also had data silos across systems. There were lots of errors, there were a lot of mistakes in most of the data, which would not even be dictated on time. Then we had gut feeling decisions where you can just think, oh, I think this decision should be made, and we'll just think about it, and before you know it, we're making the decision. We're not even sure if the decision was the right decision to take, but we're just making, you know how you can just say, I feel like this should be it, and that was it, we just do it. Then at the end of the project, you find out that, oh, we shouldn't have made this decision. It would have been this decision, or this decision would have been better than the decision we've made. But it's too late. We can no longer go back to the project. Now we've introduced AI plus collaboration into the system. And this is what we get, real-time automated dashboard. With this dashboard, we're able to see the summary of all the reports. Most of the reports get automated. It just gives us the results automatically. We're able to predict risk and also early interventions. So this risk, just like I mentioned in the first stage, where you get to predict your risk early, and now we're easily able to deploy interventions at an early stage which would avert this risk. Then now we also had integrated clean data flow. Remember I said we had a lot of silos, when you work with raw data and you get like lots of mistakes, but now our data was clean. We're able to dictate reputations in our data, and also we got AI powered insights plus clarity. So now most of our data was clear, simplified. You know how you can use AI to just summarize this whole data, and you easily get inspiration. It's clear enough for you to understand. And yeah, this really worked for us. And because of this, we're able to see 40% increase in our results. So by introducing AI, did you notice how the shift wasn't just about technology, but about better collaboration, clearer KPIs, and even smarter decision making across the team? So, what exactly do you and I contribute to an AI project? Let's break it down, because both sides bring unique and critical strengths, which I like to call our superpowers. So for non-coders, all we do is provide user insights and design perspective, which is very important in every project. You have to be able to interpret whatever you've done or interpret the insight to the coders. And for coders, you offer technical expertise and programming skills to the project. So together, we ensure AI solutions are not just technically impressive, but also meaningful and useful. So how do we contribute to our team? As for non-coders, we identify business problems, we define KPIs and data needs, we test AI results, we translate AI outcome into strategy, and we also monitor the business impact. The reason why monitoring is very important is because you have to know if AI is giving you the right information, if it's giving you what we've required or the right solution. So we have to keep monitoring. And now for the coders, you build and fine-tune these AI models. You have to build it, you have to fine-tune it to what you need exactly. And that's why taking us back to that quote saying AI needs us, because we have to literally define it, bring it into what we want it to interpret back to us. Then aside this, we also need to automate workflows and processes. We also need to optimize data pipelines, translate business needs into codes, also ensure ethical and secure AI models. So with all this that I have said, now you'll be wondering, how do I even get started with this AI? Here's the good news: there are plenty of AI tools available today, many designed specifically for non-coders, people that are just starting, and even coders. And here's the best part: you can start small, experiment, build your confidence over time. We have Google AI Studio. It's ideal for quick prototyping and experimentations with AI models. With this, you require no code or even very less code workflows. You don't really need much code, or you don't even need to code at all to use this tool. We also have Lokoja Studio. This is best for data visualizations and reporting. Coders and non-coders could work with this and you would get amazing results. We also have Vetta's AI Auto ML. It's suitable for automated machine learning model development. With this, you can also train AI models, which coders and non-coders can even use. We also have Gemini, perfect for advanced AI applications and research. With this, you can do chat just like ChatGPT, and also fast insight extractions. All these tools are designed to help you explore and experiment. All you need to do is download any of them and just keep trying. I like to explore things. I can tell you that most of the things that I learn today or that I've learned, I did them by exploring. I just download the tools and just keep trying different things. And before you know it, you get a hold of it. Before you know it, you even become an expert. Who knows? So tell me, how do you begin? For non-coders, all you need to do is learn basic AI concepts. These concepts are just so basic and very, very easy to understand. There's no technical jargons. It's something you read and you can easily assimilate it. Then join AI communities. Try and explore no-code AI tools. Then you can also partner with developers on projects. Ask so many developers on different projects. Ask them that you want to partner. This is what I can do. This is how I do it best. And tell them. And trust me, they are always willing to guide you and teach you or even show you the way. For coders, this is what you can do. Deepen your AI coding skills, just like experimenting with Python and TensorFlow. Also build AI prototypes to solve real problems. Then collaborate with business teams. And most importantly, you need to stay sharp on all AI ethics and best practices. Another thing I find very helpful and useful is joining communities like GDG. They are so amazing. It's a place to learn, connect. For both coders and non-coders, you connect with people that have done this before. You connect with new people that are trying to do this. And with that, you just notice that you sharpen your skills. You're becoming an expert. And that's why we have conferences like this to help you develop and learn with AI. Before I wrap up today, here is the key message I want you to leave with. AI is a team sport. Coders and non-coders, we all need to work together to drive innovation and create real-time impact. So let's commit to exploring these tools and building smarter AI and leave that saying that says AI is coming to take over the world, AI is coming to replace humans, which is not actually true. AI would not replace humans. We need to give AI what to work with to deliver real-time AI success. So let's commit to building smarter AI together, and I definitely know we can. Thank you.